Did you know that you can use CHAT GPT to make passive income with Shopify? In this video, I'm going to show you how. So if you're interested in learning more, stick around and I'll show you how to use CHAT GPT to make passive income with Shopify. To start the journey of integrating AI into your Shopify store, you'll want to start by signing up for CHAT GPT, a remarkable AI tool offered by OpenAI. Begin by visiting chatopenai.com, where you can swiftly create a free account. Once registered, you'll gain access to ChatGPT's powerful capabilities. It operates on generative AI, an advanced technology that empowers it to generate content for a wide array of tasks. With ChatGPT in your toolkit, you can automate various aspects of your Shopify store, from crafting engaging product descriptions to optimizing your email marketing campaigns. This integration promises efficiency and opens doors to creative solutions that can elevate your e-commerce venture to new heights. Embrace the future of AI and Shopify and watch as your business thrives. In the realm of e-commerce, your product descriptions are the bridge between potential customers and your offering. Crafting compelling product descriptions is crucial for piquing interest and driving sales. With ChatGPT, this endeavor becomes remarkably effortless. Begin with a concise and attention-grabbing headline. It should entice the reader and provide a quick overview of your product. Highlight the key features and benefits of your product. Explain how it can improve the customer's life or solve their problems. Incorporate visuals such as images or GIFs to enhance the description. A picture is worth 1,000 words and convey details that text alone cannot. Keep your paragraphs short and easy to read. Online shoppers often skim, so concise paragraphs are more likely to capture their attention. Specify what's included in the package. This helps customers understand exactly what they will receive. Email marketing stands as a formidable tool in your arsenal for generating passive income in the e-commerce sphere. Leveraging AI-generated emails, you can automate your campaigns and tap into the full potential of this medium. One of the most potent segments of email marketing revolves around abandoned cart recovery. Implement automated abandoned cart email sequences to recover potential sales. These emails remind customers of their unpurchased items, and when coupled with enticing discounts, encourage them to complete their transactions. Harness the power of ChatGPT to craft persuasive and personalized email content. AI-generated emails can be tailored to each customer, addressing their specific needs and preferences. This personal touch can significantly increase the chances of converting abandoned carts into successful purchases. By incorporating AI into your email marketing strategy, you not only save time and effort, but also optimize your chances of turning abandoned carts into revenue-generating opportunities, thereby enhancing your passive income stream. Elevate your customer service game with the integration of AI-powered chatbots. These intelligent bots offer a transformative approach to handling customer inquiries, boosting efficiency and enhancing overall customer satisfaction. One of the primary advantages of AI chatbots is their 24/7 availability. They're always ready to assist customers, regardless of the time, ensuring that inquiries are addressed promptly. Chatbots excel at handling routine and frequently asked questions. By delegating these tasks to chatbots, you free up human agents to focus on more complex and specialized customer issues. This efficiency can lead to quicker resolutions and happier customers. AI chatbots are not static. They continually learn and adapt. With each interaction, they improve their understanding of customer queries and become more adept at providing accurate and relevant responses. By leveraging AI chatbots in your customer service strategy, you create a more streamlined and responsive support system. This in turn enhances the customer experience and contributes to your e-commerce business's success and passive income generation. Once you've established a steady stream of passive income, it's time to think about scaling your e-commerce venture. I can be your greatest ally in this phase, aiding in market research, product selection, and optimizing marketing strategies for growth. Consider employing AI-powered tools to identify emerging market trends, analyze customer behavior, and refine your product offerings. These insights can guide you toward making informed decisions that drive expansion and increased profitability. At last, passive income is no longer an elusive dream, thanks to the synergy between ChatGPT and Shopify. The journey begins modestly, automating tasks and progressively diversifying income streams. Remember that consistency in your efforts and the ability to learn from data-driven insights are pivotal to your success in the world of e-commerce. Now, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.